Hi, this is James Ries with Nokia, and today in this module we are running the Ethernet use case for the fourth proof of concept for the Open Networking Foundation. In this use case we have a ring of microwave nodes, and we will have traffic running through the Ceragon node at node Z through the CI nodes at node C. So we'll start with traffic from this point through this point, and then what we'll show is a failure between the CI nodes. The SDN controller will detect the failure and switch the VLAN traffic running from Ceragon to CI in this direction. Will now run from Ceragon to CI in the other direction. This is all controlled by the SDN controller. We will absolutely see the VLANs being created and deleted on one side of the ring and created on the other side of the ring. We'll also be able to show the traffic generation go up. We are running about 250 megabits. It will go up when we create the VLANs, and when the VLANs are created and the traffic's rerouted, the traffic will switch over, and we'll see this in the Spirent test center. Okay. With that, we will go ahead and create the VLANs from Ceragon to CI, and we'll be able to see this with the object creations. And we'll go through here and see that the objects will be created and the traffic will gradually ramp up to 250 megabits. So you see here the objects are being created in the nodes around one side of the ring, and the traffic will ramp up to 250 megabits. Okay, so we see this in the object creation. We can also go to the configuration of each node. If we click down to Ceragon, you can see here the VLAN 24 has been created. The forwarding constraint of VLAN 24 has been created. On the Ceragon node, we can go over here and look at the CI nodes and see that VLAN 24 has been created. So from a topology perspective, traffic's now running from Ceragon to CI at 250 meg. So now what we'll do is we'll do a change in modulation to simulate, let's say, a path fade going from CI A to CI Z, and we'll change the modulation from 2048 to 512, and then we'll see the traffic go down, and then the traffic reestablished once the SDN controller recreates a path on the other side of the ring. So we'll actually see this in the event log as well. We'll be able to see that the modulation will generate an alarm on the CI. We'll also see the attribute change value go from 2048 to 512, and we'll see the traffic die and the value change. So the value has now changed. The value has now changed to 512. The traffic's being rerouted at this time. So traffic died, and now it's coming back up. We could also go back and look at the object creation and deletion. You can see here we've created new objects on the other side of the ring and deleted the objects on the one side of the ring. This is all automatically done by the SDN controller. The traffic is now fully restored, running on the other side of the ring. With that, this concludes our demonstration of the Ethernet model, Ethernet use case for the fourth proof of concept. Thank you.